Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this quick and informative tutorial, I will show you how to create a 3D model from the existing ESOView drawing with the help of FreeCAD Revolution tool. This is the exercise for today. We convert this ESOView drawing step by step into this 3D solid part. I will add this 3D solid part in the assembly project. Next, we sketch half of the middle section profile on the XZ plane and create a solid part with the help of the Revolution tool. Activate the Sketch tool and then select the XZ plane. Sketch roughly the shape of the profile with the polyline tool and dimension it later. Now, let us add the dimensions to the sketch. Constrain the line to vertical. Now select all the geometries and activate the mirror tool and then select the vertical axis. Next, constrain the left and the right side geometries to equal. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Now select the sketch and activate the Revolution tool and then select the rotation axis. That is for today. Follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.